Hey YouTube, welcome to Diggity Desktops. I'm Landon, and this is my first of my multi-series channel, Building a Gaming PC. My plan is that for each component, I'll make a new video and review it. I'm trying to keep this under $1,200. What is a case? A case it's this. It just holds all your parts for your PC. It's the first thing you need, because if you don't have a case, then you can't put anything together. The reason why I chose this Musetex case, first of all, the price. It's $89.99 on Amazon Prime. That's a pretty good price. The second reason is the size. It's a mid-tower gaming case, so it's not too big and it's not too small, so it's like just in the middle. The third reason is the cooling options. You have 3 fans in the front, 2 fans on the top, and 1 fan in the back. And you have multiple motherboard options. So here we have the mini ITX, the MATX or micro ATX, ATX, and EATX, or extended ATX, which is just bigger than an ATX. But we'll talk about that more in the next video. Okay, so the features of this case is it has 6 120mm fans with RGB lighting. Like I said before, 3 fans in the front, 2 fans on the top, and 1 fan in the back. It has tempered glass, and as you can see, so this is just tempered glass. There's also some on the front side too. The cable management back here, so when you finish building your PC, you shouldn't be able to see any of these cables. All you'll be able to see is all your parts in your PC. So I like that. You got your hidden power supply, which goes right here in this little compartment right there. And your drives, which are over here, and SSDs over there, motherboards down there. Dust filters. So let's talk about these. So these dust filters make it so that if dust is like in your room or wherever you are, which there's always going to be dust, it's magnetic, so there's some it connects to this. And I like this because when it has a lot of dust on it, it keeps it from going into the fans and like clogging them. And so you could just take this off and go, and then it's clean. And then you can put this back on. And there's also one on the bottom for the PSU. Right here, same thing. You take it off, dust filter, shake it up, get it clean, put it back on. Except this one isn't magnetic. This one clips on. And you also have the buttons to get your PC, so USB ports, where you plug in your headset, power button, USB 3, and all of your buttons on the top and not on any of the sides. I also would like to mention how nice this case is. It just looks so good, and I think you should get it. In closing, I expect this to be a great case. I would rate it 5 stars like most of the reviews. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to Diggity Desktops so you don't miss out on my upcoming video on the motherboard.